this video to you, Dasha Taran. I hope you like it. Uh, it's I'm crazy for you. I have a song for you, Dasha. Let's start. Swing room as the music starts. Stranger making most of the dark. Two by two their body become one. I see you through the smoky air. Can you feel the weight of my stare? You're so close but still a word away. What I'm dying to say is that I'm crazy for you. Touch my heart, touch me once and you'll know it's true. I never wanted anyone like this. It's all brand new, you feel in my kiss. I'm crazy for you, crazy for you. Try hard to control my heart. I walk over to where you are. Eye to eye, we need no word at all. Slowly now we begin to move. Every breath, I'm deeper into you. Soon we two are standing still in time. I'm ready. If you're ready, my if you're ready, my mind, you'll see. I'm crazy for you. Touch me once, you'll know it's true. I never wanted anyone like this. It's all brand new. You feel in my kiss. I'm crazy for you. Crazy for you. Crazy for you. It's all brand new. I'm crazy for you and you know it's true. I'm crazy for you and you know it's true. Yeah, I'm crazy for you. Crazy for you, baby. I hope you like it, Dasha. I'm out of tone. I'm not a good singer. I hope you enjoy my song, Dasha. I'm not a good singer. I admit I'm not a good singer. I hope at least you try to listen to it. I'm not a good singer, but it came from the heart, Dasha. I hope you like my song.